Today we are going to review the Tineco iLoop Pure 1 S15Flex vacuum. We're going to show you, we're going to like unbox it and we're going to put it all together and show you it working on hard surfaces and on carpets, and we're going to put in some pet hair and just some like bigger clumps. It's a cordless vacuum, so we're going to see how it holds up. So here we have the Tineco Pure 1 S15Flex. We're going to unbox it so you can see all the doodads that come with it. And then we're going to test it out on hard floor, carpet, pet hair, human hair, all the things. I don't know what things are for with this yet until I open it. So this is like going to be an extender cord. This is sort of like a bit of a horsehair brush. Look at it. I think this thing will slide. Oh yeah, see? Make it longer or shorter. Okay. But then if you slide it in, it would be better. This would be considered like a crevice tool, so you can get in between cracks. Oh, and look at even like on a window sill or a window track where you can get into the groove. Next is a crevice tool. Again, window tracks or a tighter space in between the fridge. This is gonna have to be some sort of upholstery attachment or carpet stair attachment. Wait, does it have a power hookup? Oh, yes it does. It really does matter, I think, if you have a power hookup to your carpet or upholstery attachment, because it makes it work, and it has a nice like brush on it. And it moves on an angle. Look at that. Okay, what's this? An extender attachment, like an adapter. I'm gonna guess on that. We can read the instructions after. Another, that would be, this is like a baseboard tool, man. Because look how long it is. You can just go across the baseboards. What's this? A spare brush? Filter. Pardon?
Filter.
Oh, a filter. This has a lot of stuff with it. Holy cow. People always ask me to review this brand of vacuum, and also their like floor mopping cordless vacuum combo. Ooh, this looks like, it looks aggressive. Looks like you can vacuum a dog with that. Okay,
dish brush.
Here's the cord, the charger. Now, this is going to be the base of it. So we have like a brush, a roller brush on it. And let's see, clean plastic teeth regularly. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it comes out. So I can remove this thing. Like I love vacuums that you can pop out the roller brush if things get tangled or anything on them, and then clean them off. So it says right here, clean regularly, and that the roller brush removes out. Okay, so this is, we just realized that this stuff was on the side of the box, but this has a direct drive anti-tangle roller brush on it, and it has a LED powered. So I'm assuming we're gonna have a light in here. Where is it coming from? Oh, right there, perfect. I love a vacuum with a light. It's like the weight of my heart. It looks pretty good. Oh, here, wait, satisfaction. So right here, this says 2-year warranty, but you have to sign up for it. It looks like you have to register for it. And if you do, you get a free filter, which actually is a good thing because you do have to buy filters all the time for vacuums. There, did it. There. Ooh. Okay. Now, okay, it came with one battery. Oh, hold on. What's at the bottom here? Oh, this is the charging dock. What? Extra pre-filter, a hair cleaning tool, and a charging dock. So you're gonna so you don't have to hang it on the wall. Must be placed on a hard, flat surface near a wall. So it comes with one, but is this battery removable? So we'll check and see, because you must be able to order extra batteries. But this is important because if the battery is built into the vacuum and it's cordless vacuum, and then the vacuum dies, you need to buy a whole entire new vacuum. If you have if the vacuum's running low on batteries, your batteries are dying, you can replace your battery and the vacuum's fine. Matters, especially with a cordless vacuum, because you lose suction over time. Let's do it. We've created our own little concoction of a mess. So we've got like some, just like regular stuff that you would find on the floor. So we have cereal, and we have like some crunched up shreddies. We have salt, pepper. We have some oregano. We have, it's gonna smell like a pizza factory in here. I don't know, just like, and then like really fine grained stuff that is easy to miss with a vacuum. So some sugar, some salt. And then we are also doing like a pet hair segment, because I know a lot of people ask about pet hair. When we do these, we've done, this is not our first rodeo, so we wanted to add in pet hair and human hair, because it can wrap around the brush. All right. So I have a trigger pull here to start it. Look at, and you can look at, let go of it and it's gonna run, because lots of times you have to continue holding the trigger to make it go. So that's how you shut it off, by just clicking it once, turn it on. I love that, because I know another brand, you have to pull the trigger the whole time to make it run. And then we can go from auto to max. But we're gonna try it on just auto and get the dirt off the floor. So this is just on auto, we don't have it on turbo. Ooh, but it's picking up a little bit as it detects the dirt. I just have a couple little specks over there I want to get. Okay, listen to the motor as it detects the dirt is there and it needs more suction. Listen. I can see the audio going higher up. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking. We've added some pet hair to the our testing section, just we want to see how it picks up off of hard surfaces. We're also going to test it on carpet. Let's check, go close up here. Sometimes the eyeball check is the best one. Looks pretty good. So we've had many requests in the comments to use also like human long hair to see how the Tineco brush holds up. So I'm sacrificing my Joe Dirt alter ego. This is real human hair, like a, I don't know what this thing's called. I think it's called it's some sort of hair weave crown that you put in your head. So I'm just snipping off a couple of pieces here just in case I decide to wear it again at some point in my life. So it's nice because you can't really see it even on the floor, but this is how like human hair is all the time. It's all over me. Okay, let's vacuum it up. It's like sucking it up from far away. So it's an anti-tangle brush, and it comes with also like a hair cutting tool, which is fantastic if you need to remove it. But then this, I love when, so you pull this lever, and then I love when this pops out because you can clean it because they get so filthy. And it's just really nice that you can move it out. Like even just like to rinse it underneath the sink and get all the gunk off of it. And wipe in here, because in here gets dirty too. Look, it's already dirty with this brand new vacuum. Oops. Okay, just a little close up of like what the canister is looking like right now. It is full of hair and gunk. Now we're gonna do the chair with some pet hair on it. Oh, there you go. See, it has that auto detect. Now you can really feel that suction. How it's pulling the chair cover. we're gonna test it on carpet. We've put some pet hair and some dirt down just to see what the suction is like on like regular real carpet. We tested it on a ruggable. It's almost like the suction on the ruggable is really, really tight. Like it shuts off automatically, which happens with some vacuums when they feel like they're suctioning something. So let's see how it does. Okay, look at, so we emptied the canister before we did this. Can you see it? Here, I think you see it better from here. So that's all the hair. And I'm just gonna do like a pickup test with my hand for hair and see if anything comes off of the carpet, so hold on. No, it got it. And like, I will say this 1,000 times till the day I die. Cordless vacuums are not the best vacuums for carpets. You need like power, no matter what. A cordless vacuum is good for quick kitchen cleanup. I like to think of it as a broom because it just sucks up everything and you're not moving dirt around. So cordless vacuums are great to have on hand for quick cleanup, but they're not for carpet. They're not for a whole entire house because it'll die. The battery won't last the whole entire time for you to clean a house. That's just always my thoughts on them, but I do love them because I have like 5 of them myself. Okay, and then one thing that we noticed is that it has good maneuverability because we can get underneath like tight spots. Yeah, like it fits nice and tight underneath that. And that's not very high clearance, my couch. So I just need to say here, this has like black dust on it because of when I had my baseboard spray or my banister sprayed. So that's like, it just looks like this. I need to replace this vent. But let's do the baseboards and the top of it. So see how it's getting all that off, and then let's see the baseboard. So down here first. It gets into like the tight spots. Okay, so we've done all of the initial testing with the Tineco vacuum, but what I wanna do is use this for like at least the rest of the week. I wanna see how the battery life is, if it compares to what they stated it is on the box, and just like get to know it a little bit better. Like, you know, it's like going out on a date with someone. You wanna know if you like it before you commit. So yeah, and I'm gonna also put up like, once I've done my findings and tested it throughout the week, I will put together one of our little charts that rates the vacuum up against like price versus quality versus how well it works, battery life, all of that fun stuff. That's what you guys look forward to. So thanks.